Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is AI-powered system for an efficient and effective cyber intrusion detection and response in the cloud environments. Our project abstract is in this era where to the cyber threats are growing to the complexity and frequency and traditional defense mechanism often to the false art in identify to the intrusion pattern. These projects introduced an AI powered honeypot system. Honeypot is one of the cloud computing model designed to the detecting and classifying to the analysis cyber attack using to the deep learning techniques by simulating to the common attack vectors such as DDoS, distributed denial, brute force, login attributes, and then malware probes, and then system collected real-time data in which to analyze using to the autoencoder feature based on that convolutional neural network CNN for the multi-classification of the intrusion type. So the honeypot is capable for the simulating various attack scenarios at different intrusions. The capturing both network behaviors and attackers pattern through to the robust pre-processing and feature engineering and in applications of the machine learning. The model achieves high accuracy and detecting to the categorized to the intrusion types such as DDoS, R2L, probe and UR2 attacks. This AI drive approach significantly enhanced to early threat detection and allowing for the faster and more accurate incident response in modern network environment. Our project flowchart is first we can start to the Anaconda Navigator Spider tool. First we can collect the dataset from the Kaggle. That is a Honeyspot a KDD Cup 99 dataset. We have taken to the intrusion data type. That is a 4 type of data: DDoS, probe, and UR2 and then R2L. So these are the type we have checked it on. So first we can move on to the data read. We are using Pandas package with. After that we can move on to the data cleaning and normalization. So data cleaning and normalization means we can move on to the data pre-processing steps. So pre-processing means considering to the three method. One is a missing values, another one is a label encoding, another is a unnecessary row and column will be removed. So if once completed means we can move on to the data splitting process, the 80% of training and 20% of testing. After we are applying to the model training algorithm using to the deep learning algorithm for that CNN and CNN LSTM. We have compared for the random forest and decision tree for the machine learning algorithm. We have predicted to that honeypot detection and metric analysis. Honeypot will be attacked, which type of attack will be there, and then we have find out to the matrix analysis. Matrix analysis means the performance analysis based on the accuracy loss, confusion matrix, classification report. These are the part. So once we have into that part, we can move on to the streamline and user enter to the details and predict to the honeypot details. Our project execution part, first we can open to the Anaconda Navigator, launch to the Spider tool. First we can load to the dataset. That is a dataset we have read it on. That is the intrusion dataset. After that we are applying to the pre-processing. So pre-processing we have applied. So we have checked the missing values. After to the label encoding process. So next one is the EDA plot. Third one is the data splitting process. That is 80% of training and 20% of testing model. So after that we can extract to the autoencoder feature extraction part. So once we have extract to the features, we are applying to the convolutional neural network model. So we get the 98.47 means totally 98% of the accuracy we got it, the test loss, and then we have compare our that model random forest decision tree algorithm, and then we have find out to that performance analysis. So these are the confusion matrix and the intrusion attack type, and then accuracy will be improved, loss will be reduced, and confusion matrix we get the diagonal matrix, and then we have compared to the performance analysis. Next we can move on to the web page. So this is the home page. So first we have sign register. After to the login that the part, so we can log in it. So So user enter to the IP number and load type of the attack and duration. So it automatically simulate to that log data files. So it automatically simulate and we have predicted to the which type of the attack will be there. That's one we have check it on. So this is a front end. So this is a back end process using to the coding.